Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti no inau Peshona kwete chindau Zichiverengwa naye wenye skimba no fumura no itama.
Timu yangu de mugida se tirimo mundima zviri kupisa na skimbo timu yangu pasasa pinda pana zviri kupisa ngoma ndiyo ndiyo tungoba bata subscribe kuti musasare pane zenge chitika zviri kupisa pari kana wa subscribe kujara ayo wakanyanya tungoba pachifambira mberi.
To start off, we were partying at Dreams nightclub. I'm not really sure about the time that we left the club, but it was early hours in the morning. We both left at the same time. He was driving his Rolls Royce and I was in the Range Rover. So he was in front and I was behind. Turning onto Borrowed Road from KG6, that's when he increased his speed. And obviously you know that the Rolls Royce is extremely fast. So I couldn't see him anymore. I slowed down, probably driving at 60 kilometers, and I told myself that I'll just see him at home. Our usual routine where we leave the club together and we head on the street. So on the Mbashaw Road, I saw fire at a distance. As I got closer, I slowed down. I slowed down the car, and at that time it wasn't making sense to me that what had transpired. Where did this fire come from? There were, if I'm not mistaken, there were 2-3 people in the scene. I stopped the car. The one gentleman came to me and he said, "Your friend has had an accident. Come, let's go to his body. I think he's still alive. Let's rush him to the hospital." Go outside, get to his body, and then he looks at me and then he closed his eyes. So now I'm panicking, thinking, what are we going to do? Like, if you see the videos circulating, like I'm going around like a headless chicken, not knowing what to do because I was in shock. So when he closed his eyes, the guy looked for a pulse. There was no pulse. I'm dialing my phone. Just to show you how confused I was dialing my phone, wanting to dial the ambulance. But if you look at my phone, you'll see there was hashtag star, hashtag. I did not dial a number because I was in shock. I was in shock. I was traumatized by what I saw. I've never been to a dead body as close as I was to Ginimbi. Another guy came, he took a pulse, he held me like, "Rimo, we need to cover this guy, he's gone." Went to the car and I took my red pants and we covered his face. So now, at that moment, we were thinking, how are we going to avoid people from coming? Because every second person that stopped the public transport, all they did, like, it's Ginimbi, come, you know, holding their phones. My uncle arrived on the scene and he helped me disperse the people. Tell me, please, no pictures, no pictures, no pictures. So people were stopping. What's going on? Andy Ginimbi, come, the Ginimbi, you know. So to me, like, I was then calling his friends, his family, wanting to tell them this is what happened to our brother.
Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti no inau Peshona kwete chindau Zichiverengwa naye wenye skimba no fumura no itama.